Your school runs on Excel, WhatsApp, and Hope. Every term, the same cycle. Scattered student record, manual results compilation, chasing parents for fees on WhatsApp. It's exhausting. Melo School OS replaces all that with one connected system. Admin, results, fees, parents, teachers. Everything your school needs in one place. Once your school structure is set up, classes, subjects, sessions, terms, everything else builds on top of it. Student records are searchable and organized. You set it up once, and result, billing, and parent access all use the same data. No more rebuilding spreadsheets every term. One of my favorite features that really supports Nigerian schools is the fact that in Nigeria, most of our classes have a special name in our schools. So for example, in this particular school here, you have primary 1, but then in this school, they call it Olive Treasure. Because we've thought this out, we make it very easy for you to add those class labels to make sure you don't have to change your school to match the system. This is usually where schools waste the most time. With Melo, teachers enter assessment and exam scores directly into the system. Now, this is something that sets Melo apart from the rest. In different schools, you might decide to do your exam grading over 60 or over 40. Some, when they do it over 60, they convert it down to over 40. So we've thought about all that. And that's why you can come to your admin dashboard and you should be able to select whether you're doing a direct 40 entry or you're scaling down from 60. So if I save this now, instantly, once I go back to the page, you can see a scaled down version of whatever the student scored. So if I change this to 60 now, you can see the child automatically scored 40 over 40. The system calculates grades, compiles the broadsheet, and generates report cards that matches your school's format. Clean, branded, and professional. You can even add a teacher's comment, head teacher's comment, choose when the next term begins, and customize the logo of your school on the report card. And in just one click, you can decide to export and print that one student's report card, or go as far as printing out the full class. As a school owner, this is one of the biggest benefits. You can see who has paid, who is owing, and what the outstanding balance is at any moment. No waiting for someone to manually compile it. Parents can pay directly through their portal. Funds settle into your school's own bank account through Paystack. No middleman holding your money. One of the best parts about the parent portal is that the parents can have multiple children in the same school and be able to access both of them individually. So for example, I can see my child's result here and I can go straight to the billing section and see that, oh, I have paid for one of them completely. As you can see, nothing is being owed, balance due 0. And for the other child, we are owing a balance of 400,000. I can decide to pay that now. So I click on this, opening Paystack. Now I can decide to pay. And once it's done paying, confirmation is generated and the parent can see that everything they've done has been successfully verified. Then over in the school's dashboard, the school can actually see that particular parent just finished paying now. Parents get their own portal. They can view results, check fee statements, and see school updates without calling the school. You stay in control of what's published and when. Parents see what matters. You reduce the interruptions. Teachers also have a dedicated workspace. Lesson plans, assessments, and result entry all connected back into the same school system instead of living in random notebooks and WhatsApp group chats. Teachers can open up a workspace. They can decide to make lesson notes. They can even actually impute some of their raw materials and notes written by hand and then click generate to have AI help them with the first pass. Then after they are done with that, they can move straight to actually creating questions that their students need to practice. If you want a professional looking website, we can work that out for you using your school's data. Admission, events, school information all mapped in one place. We don't just give you login details and disappear. We handle full setup from classes, subjects, grading, fees, user accounts, and we even train your staff with ongoing support after launch. Let us walk you through the system with your actual school structure, your classes, your grading, your fee setup. Book a personalized demo. The number and email is on screen, or send a WhatsApp message. Melo School OS. Run your school with absolute clarity.